Give me a beer, you fucking dog.
Today episode is Jeffy pulls a fire alarm. Requested by Harley's YouTube poop. Enjoy! Good morning, class. Johnny, that was disrespectful.
What? I had to let it rip.
Next time, ask to step out the hallway. It stinks in here. I got an idea. I'm going to ask to use the restroom, so I can skip class. Yes, Jeffy. Can I go to the bathroom? Okay, you can go. Let's go around the school. What's this? Pull a fire alarm. Cool! It's the fire alarm. It's no time for jokes. We gotta get out of here. Now. Where's Jeffy? This is no joke. We gotta find Jeffy. There you are. Wait a minute. Did you pull the fire alarm? Why is the switch pulled down? No. I found it this way. Well, we ain't gonna stay here and burn alive. We gotta get out of here. Let's go. Jeffy, are you sure it's not you not pulled the fire alarm? No, it's not me. Hello, sir. I got a report of someone pulled a fire alarm. Yes, I did. I'll lead you to it. This is the one? Yes, it is. Okay, so what I'm going to do is check the fingerprint, and I'll want all the students to line up so I can match the fingerprints together. Okay, I'll do it. You are first. Place your hand here. Okay. Interesting. You're good. You can go back to class. Okie dokie. Place your hand here. Fart again, then I'm gonna assume you.
Alright, dang.
Go back to class. You're good.
Can I go home early?
Place your hand here. You're free to go. Place your hand here. Go back to class now. Have a seat here. I need to use the restroom. I'll make it quick, I promise. My parents gonna pick me up, so gotta go. Just sit down. Wait a minute, now you're acting suspicious. Did you pull the fire alarm? No, it's not me. I came out of the restroom and saw it like that. Then place your hand here for proof. Come on. I don't got much time. We don't gotta do this. Place your fucking damn hand here. Okay. Oh. I knew it. I knew you did this.